everybody. Thanks a lot for coming back. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am making we all have a zucchini left, don't we? So I am making a zucchini cheddar bacon muffin. It's going to have shredded zucchini, some chopped up bacon, and some cheddar cheese. It's a pretty straightforward muffin recipe. However, it is going to have some wonderful things in it that will be really great for a dinner as far as an accompanying bread, or if you wanted just a nice afternoon snack with a cup of coffee, it's going to fit the bill. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and let's get started. Okay, in my bowl here I have some unbleached flour, and to that I'm going to add some baking powder. Teaspoon and a half of that, and of course I'll have all the ingredients for you in the description box. And so that's 1.5. I need a baking powder, and then I need a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, and a half a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to add about half a teaspoon, maybe quarter teaspoon of garlic. Thought that'd make a nice little addition, as well as some ground pepper. Kind of season that. It's a savory muffin, so let's put some savor in it, right? Okay, so we've got that all together there. I can put all my dry ingredients aside, and I'm going to just take my handy dandy little whisk here and whisk all these ingredients together. Make sure the baking soda and the baking powder and all those other goodies are thoroughly mixed inside. All right, I'm going to set that aside because now come in the wet ingredients. It's a very muffiny kind of way to cook. When you do a muffin, there's just certain steps and they're always the same, which makes muffin making a really easy thing. So I've got some melted butter in here. And to this, I'm going to crack an egg in there, and I'm also going to add some milk. And I will get this beat up well, and once I have that done, I will be back. Okay, I have all of that milk and egg and butter mixed up. I'm now going to put in my shredded zucchini and mix that in there, because now I'm going to start adding my dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. So here comes the flour. I'm going to add this a little at a time. Let's have some room here. A little at a time here. Okay, I'm going to add probably the rest of that. Get this all mixed in, get that flour incorporated, but as I always say about muffins and quick breads, we want to do it to just, the point where everything is combined, not overly beat. And I'm going to now, once I have this pretty well incorporated, the wet and the dry, which looks pretty good right here. I don't think I'm going to go any further because I'll be doing more mixing with the cheese and the bacon. So I'm going to put in the bacon now, and this is just actually what this is the Kirkland bacon you buy. It's already crumbled, and then I cook it in the microwave, really drain it off well with some paper towels, and it works beautifully. And then here are the cheddar cheese, which I used the fat-free cheddar cheese. I figured, you can save 100 calories here and there. You can enjoy a muffin once in a while. So I have got this, I think, pretty nicely combined here. Just make sure you have a little pocket there that needs a little bit more love. Oh, that looks wonderful though. Okay, oh, it smells amazing as well. I'm going to get my muffin tin and we'll get started putting these in the muffin tins. All right, I have my muffin tin here ready, and I'm going to clean up just a little bit there. Okay, and as you know, I love these silicone muffin cups. They're fabulous, and your muffins come out just lickety split. I lost one. It's still MIA, so I have to use a paper one there. And I also had a beautiful scoop and I broke that, so I need to do some restocking of my kitchen stuff. So I'm going to drop these in. There should be about a dozen, but I'm going to drop them in till where it's about 3/4 of the way full. I need a little more. And these will go into a preheated 350-degree oven. And I think they're going to bake for about 25 minutes, as I recall the recipe. Oh gosh, they smell good though. They smell really good. Okay, once I have this done, we'll be back. Okay, these are going to go into a 350-degree oven. They're going to cook about 25 minutes. And remember the clean toothpick test. You're going to put that toothpick down in the center of the muffin. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. If it comes out it's a little gummy, then you need to put it back in, for maybe another 3 or 4 minutes, and just, keep checking it. However, I will say, when you're using something like cheese, when you dip that toothpick in there and you pull it out, make sure it's, if you say, oh, this is kind of gooey still, is it cheese that you've stuck into, or is it dough? So, there's that little bit you're going to have to, keep a little eye on. But generally, just sticking it in there will, to hit a big pocket of cheese on this kind of muffin, it's not going to happen. I almost wish I hadn't even mentioned that to you now. Anyway, we're going to get these baked off, and we'll be back. You ready to give this a try?
Oh, yeah. Let me bring that down just a tad.
Here's what it looks like.
Ooh.
Let me pop it out of the... I'm serious, look at that. I didn't even work at that, it just happened. There it is.
When I heard there was bacon and cheese involved, I'm there.
Okay, are you ready for tasting
I
this?
am.
Okay, let me give you... It's warm, it's still very warm.
And moist.
Oh, it's very moist. Oh gosh, I want to give you something of all there. Tell me what you think. Got it? You got it? I'm not going to let go of it there.
All right.
You ready? Mm-hmm. Oh wow. I only made a dozen.
Well, gal, you better get back that stove. It tastes a lot like a frittata.
Isn't that interesting?
It's the bacon and cheese.
Uh-huh.
That is good.
You
don't taste the zucchini a little bit.
Yeah, but really, I think that zucchini is you're trying to find a way to use it. What can we put it in? What other things can we put zucchini in? It has moistness, of course.
I'll bet you could even put eggplant in this.
You probably could. As I was making these, I said, if you really wanted to go, start to go rogue, caramelized onions in here with the bacon and the cheddar.
It'd be even more frittata-ish. That's good.
And actually, it's got a very biscuity thing happening too.
Yeah, it does.
Do you taste that biscuity thing?
I do.
Oh my gosh.
Here's a piece with a big piece
He's
of
going in for seconds.
zucchini in it.
Okay. You're not going to taste zucchini.
That's the best part.
Well, it's true. I mean, zucchini is not really a big powered flavor vegetable anyway.
No, that's delicious.
But I think it really adds the moisture.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, you're getting some veggies, which is always a good thing, and no matter how you pack them, even if it's However, I will tell you, I used fat-free cheddar cheese, and you know what? I'm glad I did. Could you imagine that being full fat? You'd have a mess on your hands.
No, you taste the cheese, but it's not overpowering.
That greasy.
Yeah.
Fat-free.
Yes, no.
Absolutely.
And yet the muffins are very moist.
Oh, very moist.
Delicious.
Well.
Oh, there's a little piece left.
As I said, I only was able to bake 12 on this batch. Okay.
They'll be gone by dinner.
So well, we're going to have these with that chicken noodle soup, or chicken and wild rice soup I'm making, and there's going to be a recipe for that. Anyway, you're happy.
I'm very happy.
If you're happy, baby, I'm happy, because you know what I always say.
You cook for me.
I cook for you. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. You tell your friends to come on over here and have some fun with crazy old people.
And some good eats.
And some good eats. And subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Anything else you want to tell them?
Nope.
We love y'all.
Yeah.
What?
I was just saying we're inching closer to that 1 million views on the popcorn popper review.
So
it's over
close.
about 992,000.
It's a popcorn popper, and we're going to hit a
we're gonna
million
give one away.
views.
Yeah.
All right, get that little thingy there.
All right.
All right,
Got
everybody.
it.
We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.